Alright, so we're going to add the processor to the motherboard. So you can pull the pin out, lift that up. Then your processor, you have two notches. You can see a notch there and a notch there. You got two notches in the back end. So you just line those notches up with the little bump outs, and your processor is installed. So now I'll just drop this down, make sure it goes under that screw, and then latch it into place. And there, your processor is installed. So the processor I just installed is the Intel Pentium G3220.